Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to share an Instagram post with only specific people or just your close friends. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Instagram app. This works on both iPhone and Android. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and the first thing you want to do is go to your profile. So tap into your profile here where you just see your normal profile view. And then what you want to do is tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner there. So tap on those. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where you see something that says Close Friends. So tap into Close Friends, and you're going to see a full list of all of your friends. And then you're going to have the ability to check next to their name. So let's say I want this person to be added to my close friends. I want this person to be added to my close friends. And then as you can see that list growing up there where it says on your list, if we go to see all, it will show us a list of all of our close friends. So go ahead and add those people to your close friends or specific people list. And then once we've done that, tap the blue done button there at the very bottom. Now, I found that you need to close out of Instagram altogether. So swipe up and over on iOS and just X out of the Instagram app on Android. Now just reopen the Instagram app like you normally would and tap on the addition symbol to start creating a new post. So it doesn't matter if it is a post or a reel, and you can do this for stories, by the way, if you'd like. Go ahead and tap into the image and video that you want to share and add a filter to it and some text if you want, like you normally would. And then when you're here at the share option here, where you normally just type in the caption and share the post, you're going to see something here underneath that says audience. So if we go to audience here and tap into audience, you're going to see where we have the option to share it to everyone, all of our friends and people connected with us on Instagram, or our close friends. So if we tap into close friends here, you can see that likes and comments will be visible. So close friends can see each other's usernames when they like and do that. It's letting you know kind of what that means. But if we tap into the option there where it says for people, we can always tap into it and add or remove people. So let's say for this post, I don't want these two people to be, see the post. So I tap it or uncheck their name, tap done, and then hit the X right here. And now you can see the close friends list is down to 2 people. So not only can you share it with your close friends list that's ever evolving, but you can also share posts with specific people by just tapping into that close friends option there and selecting the ones that you want for this specific post. And then just go ahead and tap on done once that's selected. And then right here under audience, it will say close friends. And then when you're ready to go, type the caption. Go ahead and tap share, and that post will only be shared with those specific individuals that are added to your close friends audience here within Instagram. And then lastly, if you want to do this with a Instagram story, tap into your story here like you're adding a story. Now let's go ahead and add this little image here as my story. And now at the very bottom, we're going to see something now that says close friends or everyone. So if we tap into that there, it's only going to be uploading and showing that to our close friends. And then when we go to our story here, we can see the star icon. If we tap on the star icon there, it will let us know who our close friends are currently. So we have those 2 people there, and we can always go and add people to that list and tap done. And now those people will have access to our story. So if we tap the star icon here, you can see on our list are our close friends. So again, you just got to go through, edit your audience, and you should be good to go. If anybody has any questions about how to do any of this, please, for me, go ahead and put those comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.